Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to request help in the Flighty application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button, and if you scroll down at the more section, look for the help and feedback button and click on that. And at the contact us section, click on the request help button. So here you can you can make any questions or request regarding the application, and you can do that via Apple Mail if you have that, but any other mailing system will work just fine. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.